Hello all, welcome to my channel. In this video you will see introduction meaning of physical geography and nature, scope, relation and significance of physical geography. Let's begin. In this session, we'll discuss what physical geography is, how it relates to other sciences, and why it's so important for understanding the world around us. First, we will see definition of physical geography. It helps us understand how these elements interact to shape the world. Physical geography is a branch of geography that deals with the Earth's natural features, like mountains, rivers, climate, and vegetation. Now we will see nature of physical geography. The nature of physical geography refers to its fundamental characteristics, how it works, how it's studied, and what it aims to explain. We will see one by one as follows. First, natural science-based physical geography is rooted in the natural sciences. It studies Earth's physical features like mountains, rivers, climate, and soils using scientific methods such as observation, measurement, and analysis. For example, studying how a river forms and changes over time involves physics, geology, and environmental science. Now next one, that is second one, descriptive and analytical. Descriptive means it describes natural phenomena, that is, the location and appearance of a mountain range, and analytica means it explains why and how those features exist and interact. That is, the tectonic activity that caused the mountains. Now third one, spatial in nature. Physical geography is all about space and location, where things happen on Earth and why they happen there, and not somewhere else. For example, why do deserts form along the Tropic of Cancer? Or why are rainforests near the equator only? This things like exact locations, where it is happening, which area that we can study. Next is dynamic and evolving. The Earth is constantly changing due to internal and external forces. Physical geography studies both gradual and sudden changes. Gradual is erosion of a coastline like sudden earthquake or volcanic eruption. Next is interdisciplinary. Physical geography overlaps with geology, means it's study about landforms. Meteorology means study of weather and climate. Biology, it studies ecosystems of Earth. Hydrology means studying all water systems. It acts as a bridge between the natural environment and human activities. Now the last one is field and map-based. Geographers often use satellite images and create maps to understand the Earth's physical characteristics. For example, mapping flood-prone areas based on terrain and rainfall data. Physical geography is a scientific, spatial, and dynamic study of Earth's natural systems. It helps us understand the processes that shape our planet and prepares us to manage natural resources and hazards wisely. So, these are the nature of physical geography. Next, we'll see scope of physical geography. It covers the 4 Earth spheres: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and biosphere. First is lithosphere studies landforms like mountains, valleys, plateaus, and plains, involves geomorphology. The science of Earth's surface features it include earthquakes, volcanoes, plate tectonics, erosion. Example: why the Himalayas are rising, because due to its plate collision activities. Second is atmosphere. It focuses on climatology and meteorology. It studies air pressure, temperature, rainfall, winds, storms, and climate zones. For example, why tropical climates are hot and rainy, while deserts are dry. Next is hydrosphere. Involves hydrology and oceanography studies, rivers, lakes, glaciers, groundwater, oceans, tides, and currents. Next is biosphere, covered in biogeography studies, distribution of plants, animals, and ecosystems. Looks at how living organisms interact with land, water, and air. Example: why rainforests are found near the equator and tundras, near poles. This you will study in it. Next is pedosphere. Deals with soil geography studies, the formation, types, and distribution of soils, like why alluvial soils are found in river plains and helps us to understand how the Earth works as a connected whole. The scope of physical geography covers all natural systems of the Earth, land, water, air, and life, and their interactions. This is the scope of physical geography. Now we will see branches of physical geography. There are 4 branches of physical geography. Those are climatology, hydrology, biogeography, soil geography. These are the branches of physical geography. Next is the relation of physical geography with other sciences. Science connection with physical geography, geology, landforms, plate tectonics, meteorology, weather patterns. biology and ecology ecosystems, biodiversity oceanography seas, currents, marine systems, environmental science, climate change, sustainability, significance of physical geography, understand natural disasters, promote environmental awareness, aid in resource management, guide in planning and development. Physical geography explores Earth's natural systems interconnected with many sciences, crucial for sustainable development. Thank you, like, share, and subscribe.